Welcome to Lakshmi Arts, and today in this video, let's see how to make a beautiful foil art. This contemporary foil art is super easy and fun to make. So let's go ahead and see the step-by-step procedure of making a simple foil art which can be managed by any age group. Friends, here is a floral design which we are going to use in this project. Here we have traced the floral design onto the MDF base using black carbon paper. And now let's go over the whole design with the fabric glue as shown. Use thick lines to make the outline. We have completed outlining the design, and now let's keep it aside to dry completely. Here the glue has dried partially and we can see the tracing lines below. Once the glue is completely dried, it will look like this. It will completely become transparent like this. Now taking the glue stick, let's apply it all over the MDF base, covering all the nooks and corners of the design and also outside it. Let's take the aluminium foil and stick the MDF board onto the dull shine of the foil, keeping the shining side upwards. Lightly press onto the foil using a soft cloth, pressing it from inside to outside, trying to keep the air bubbles out. Taking the earbud, let's press in between the space made by the outline. All the grooves will get highlighted with this process. Go softly over the shade with earbud and not pressing too hard, as the foil may tear. The outline should look embossed on the foil as shown. Trim off the extra foil paper and turn the edges backwards. We can also use the dotting tools and go over very lightly over the edges to enhance the lines more. Stick the edges of the foil with glue . And also stick another paper circle of the same size to seal the foil inside. Here we can see the design is beautifully embossed. Now let's apply glass colors over it. Let's color the buds with orange and red color. For the center rows, let's first start with yellow, applying the color on the edges of the flower petals as shown. Next, let's use orange merging with the yellow color. Next, let's use red color to give some shading to the petals. Do merge the colors together after adding when it is wet. Green and yellow color for the leaves, calyx and stem. Here we have finished coloring the artwork. Now let's add some texture to the background using the dotting tool. We can make spiral designs or wave lines or dots on the background. Friends, here we have finished our aluminium foil art with a floral design. This beautiful aluminium foil art would make an ideal home decor too. Thanks for watching.